This is American style fridge freezer. See what it looks like. Powerful fridge freezers. This one is Samsung American style fridge freezer. This one is 2 doors. Let me know what you think. Are you happy with what you are seeing? This one, it got 5 years warranty and also 5 years part labor. £1,379. So the top features for this is food freshness, convertible section, dispenser, and this is another one here. This one is Samsung American style and food freshness, convertible section, dispenser, and cost of energy 119, 2,549 pound. See what it looks like. This one is so got this one. Oh, nice! You can see. So can open up this section. Okay, then why you can also open, so this door, you can also open this door for you to fill the water, fill it. Beverage center. Okay, nice. So the beverage center opens separate, then for you to hold the door and open all of this section, and ice bits and cube dice. So this is for you to scoop the ice. Let me know what you think. Beautiful, very nice. What do you think of the price? 2,549. Are you happy with it? This is American style fridge freezer, and this is 403 liters, 22 bags. Okay. And this one is also this, and this one is 409. So this is a 409. Okay, the energy rating for this one is E. So the energy rating for this one, the price is 1,379, and the energy rating is F for this. So it looks like the higher the energy rating, the higher the price. Okay, so you can see the energy rating for this one, and also the electricity is using. This one takes 350 kilowatts per annum, whereas this one is 1,379 for price, and the energy rating is F, and also take 395. So this is something to bear in mind, or something to think about when you are buying your fridge freezer. This one is 1,000, pretty much 2,000 pounds, and the energy rating is E, and it's 346 watts for this one. This is with ice maker, wind and cooling system. Beautiful stuff, I must say. These are from Samsung. If we go around, and also this one is also Samsung as well. Okay, this one is, if you touch the screen, then you select the music you want to touch the screen. Now you select your family, large family. Now you can see, you can enjoy music, family board, smart home control, cooking, sync with phone. So this one is synchronized with phone, quick view. You can see. So this one got music. You can see what it looks like. Okay. And this one is This is another American style. And so this RS 8000 1780 millimeter, and this one is 1780 millimeter. So it's pretty much the same thing. The different, this one is R60, this one is R8000. Let's see what this one looks like inside it. I like this one. This one is multi-doors. I think it's the highest in price here, 3,299. And RF22 1777 millimeter. And so just open up this section. Okay, open here. So this is 4 doors. All the doors open. They close very smoothly. So you got 10 years warranty, digital inverter, or 5 years warranty, parts and labor. This is from Samsung. What do you think? Let me know what you think about it. This is beautiful. This is American style fridge freezer, very big and huge. This one's LG easy access, push easy access door. Let's see, this one is LG. Let's see, fresh balance fruit and veg meat zone, freezing zone. Now I'm very fascinated with this one. This one you just need to touch twice, knock twice. So this one just knock twice, see inside with instant view, door indoor. Let's see what it looks like. So once you knock twice, just open it up. There we go. You can see we got some food here. What do you think? What do you think? Got some food here. Looks nice. You can see the carrot, tomato. Nice. This is ThinQ fridge, non-plumbing freezer, self-care, Wi-Fi, express control, express freeze, eyes on / off, lock, inverter, line linear. Organize food smartly. Just knock. This is from LG. I like how it looks. Just once you knock, you can see through what is inside it. This one is and this one is 1,849. Okay, in case if you are wondering the price. And this one is LG smart inverter. This one is 1,449. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like. This is beautiful. And this one is efficient energy saving with smart inverter compressor. This is from LG ThinQ. Just open it up and you are ready to rock and roll. Just love the notice. American style fridge freezer, very powerful.